Hi guys, it's me Ruby yet again, and today I'm going to be showing you all my fidgets. Let me just go get them. They're right over here, but I'm not going to be showing you them straight away. My brother opened all of his advent calendar, which was a fidget one. So, and I've got my Stitch advent calendar, which has Stitch statues in, which is basically fidgets. Right. So, I'll tell you where I got them from as well. So, the basketball is like a squishy, but it's really bouncy, so you can chuck it anywhere you want. So this is from Temu, like that. This one is a Temu squishy box. It's actually really good there, it's really cheap. So then another squishy. I like this one. It's a Squishmallow one from America. Yeah. This is from one below big Tesco's in the UK, which is in Leeds. Then we got a pop tube, which is from one below as well. This is from the one below as well. So practically very good. Recommend. Then we've got another squishy. This is a Squishmallow one. It came with the burger one. So cute. I really like this one. And it smells pretty good. Smell like hot chocolate. This is a poppet from my brother's advent calendar that I traded him. Then I've got the stuff that I got from my advent calendar because today it's the 4th of December. So I have got this one for 1st of December. This for the 2nd of December, this for the 3rd of December, and this is on the 4th of December. Really cute. Then I traded my brother for a monkey noodle. Then I got this skateboard. So that's actually really good. And I love these. Like, I play with them in lessons at school because it makes me if anybody's walking past, when I'm concentrated just because of this or another fidget or something. But I'm only allowed this, or these, or that. Because this will make me want to chuck it at someone's bloody head. This is too much loudness. Chuck at someone's head. Too loud. Just too loud. And this, perfectly fine. This, I'm just doing this. I could do this if I wanted to get in trouble though, because... Yeah, do you want me to just get you? Wait a minute, it's not again. Did you see that? Let me try it. Okay, that didn't really work. Okay, I love this. I like these two as well. Like, they're really good. I like this one out of the squishies. I like this one because listen to that. Very satisfying. Then we've got like these. We could just do that on my desk. Or you could just do this. You could chew on them if you want to. Like, you can do pretty much anything. Use it as a key ring. I don't know. Cut a hole in the bottom of them. And yeah, so then this, if you keep on your desk like that, I don't really like that, so that's going into the pile. And then we have got the jumbo puppet. I do not like this one. I absolutely hate it. I just hate it. But I'll upload another video of finding other fidgets that are mine, because I've lost half of them since 2020 when they all came out. Okay, bye. Don't forget to subscribe.